All right, so here I got the Blue Yeti, and I'm actually going to be testing it to its full limits later in this video. But the audio you're actually hearing now is coming from the Blue Yeti itself. But I wanted to show you the functionality first before I did the test. Now, it's obviously plug and play, and it's a USB mic, which is super nice. But it's got basic features like volume, mute, and then it has directional, and so you can do omnidirectional or very directional. But here goes the test. So this is if I'm really close to the mic and I'm whispering into it. And this is if I'm the same distance but very loud in the same kind of manner speaking. And then I just wanted to show you kind of the P's and the T's because often those pop. So if I did Peter picked a pepper of pickled peppers, a peck of pickled peppers Peter picked. Tic tac 10 tiny tigers tiptoed tenderly through the tall green grass. Now, hopefully this shows you the dynamic functionality of the Blue Yeti, especially because it's simply plug and play USB mic, which makes for a great mic. And something obviously I would recommend to all my friends and family, which means a lot. So yeah, go out and get one for yourself.